step into elegance, front yard brick landscaping ideas you'll love. Transforming your front yard into a stunning outdoor haven doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right landscaping ideas, you can easily elevate the elegance of your front yard and boost its curb appeal. Whether you're considering a complete garden makeover or just a touch of outdoor renovation, we've got you covered. In this, we'll explore a plethora of landscaping ideas to inspire your hardscaping and cultivate an elegant front yard design that will make your neighbors green with envy. Picture-perfect entrance, welcoming pathways. We all know that first impressions matter, and what better way to create a lasting one than by having a charming brick pathway leading up to your front door. Utilize bricks of varying shades and lay them in an intricate pattern to add depth and visual interest. Curving the pathway can create a sense of movement and lead the eye towards your front entrance. The lure of flower beds, colorful garden inspiration. Inject vibrant colors into your front yard by incorporating flower beds along the perimeter. Brick edging can help define the flower beds and serve as a visually pleasing border. Experiment with different plant species and heights to create a multi-dimensional landscape that blooms all year round. Whether it's cheerful tulips in spring or elegant roses in summer, your front yard will be a sight to behold. Vertical elegance, stunning brick walls. Brick walls not only serve as a practical solution for privacy, but they can also add a touch of sophistication to your front yard. Create a captivating focal point by constructing a brick wall with intricate patterns, or combine bricks with other materials like wood or stone for a modern twist. Adorn it with climbing vines or hanging planters to embrace nature and soften the overall look. Outdoor oasis, cozy seating areas. Why limit elegance to the interiors? Create inviting seating areas in your front yard using brick elements. Build a cozy patio or a small seating nook where you can enjoy morning coffees or host intimate gatherings. Consider adding comfortable outdoor furniture and complementary outdoor decor to enhance the overall ambience. Water features, serenity at its finest. Not only do water features add a touch of tranquility, but they also bring an element of luxury to your front yard. Consider incorporating a brick fountain or a small pond to elevate the elegance of your outdoor space. The sound of trickling water will create a soothing atmosphere and provide a serene experience for both homeowners and guests. With these brick landscaping ideas, you can transform your front yard into an elegant oasis that reflects your personal taste and style. From charming pathways to captivating brick walls, there are endless possibilities to create a front yard that exudes sophistication and curb appeal. Embrace the beauty of outdoor decor and let your hardscaping adventure begin. Step into elegance and revel in the beauty of your newly revamped front yard. Transform your front yard into a mesmerizing retreat that exudes elegance and charm with the timeless beauty of brick landscaping. Whether you're looking to enhance your curb appeal or create a cozy outdoor haven, brick offers endless possibilities for a stunning garden makeover. In this article, we will explore a variety of creative front yard brick landscaping ideas that will inspire you to step into a world of outdoor beauty and relaxation. Creating welcoming pathways. Enhance the entrance to your home by laying a brick pathway that leads guests to the front door. Opt for a natural brick hue or get creative with colorful patterns to add a touch of your personality. The symmetrical layout of the brick pathway will draw attention to your front yard, setting the stage for an elegant design. Charming brick edging. Define your front yard flower beds and create a polished look with charming brick edging. This hardscaping technique adds both function and style to your outdoor space. The brick edging ensures that your garden remains well organized, while also providing a delightful visual contrast against the lush greenery. Accentuating focal points. Take advantage of the versatility of brick by using it to highlight focal points in your front yard. Create a stunning outdoor fireplace or an inviting brick seating area, perfect for cozy gatherings and relaxing evenings. These elegant additions not only enhance your curb appeal, but also create a harmonious space for outdoor entertainment. Vertical brick gardens. Maximize your front yard's potential by incorporating vertical brick gardens. These unique structures not only provide a space-saving solution, but also add a touch of sophistication to your outdoor decor. Install wall-mounted planters or custom-built brick structures to showcase your favorite plants and flowers, bringing life and color to the walls of your front yard. Beyond bricks, harmonizing with nature. While bricks are the star of front yard landscaping, harmonizing them with natural elements brings balance and tranquility to your outdoor oasis. Integrate the beauty of blooming flowers, lush greenery, and carefully selected trees to create a seamless blend between the man-made and natural elements. This combination will elevate your front yard into a haven of elegance and peace. With these front yard brick landscaping ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a captivating retreat that exudes elegance and charm. Whether you opt for a symmetrical brick pathway, charming brick edging, or stunning focal points, these concepts are sure to enhance your curb appeal and make a statement. Remember to harmonize your brick elements with the beauty of nature, creating a balanced and tranquil oasis. Step into elegance and embark on an outdoor renovation that will leave you in awe of your garden's transformation. Let these brick landscaping ideas inspire your creativity and create a front yard that reflects your unique style and personality.